This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the prerequisites. Make sure your PC runs Windows 10 with recent updates and sign into a Microsoft account so devices can authenticate. Once done, switch on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because Nearby Share uses both for discovery and transfer. Now open Settings, go to System, then Shared Experiences, and toggle Nearby Sharing on. Choose whether to share with my devices only or everyone nearby, depending on privacy. This choice, you now pick the content to send, open File Explorer and select single or multiple files, or use the Share button inside apps like Photos. Right-click and choose Share. Windows will scan for nearby devices. When the recipient device appears, click its name to initiate. The other user must accept the incoming transfer. Once they do, Windows selects the most efficient method, Bluetooth for small items, Wi-Fi Direct for larger files, so transfers are fast while preserving security and battery life. You finish by watching the transfer and notifications. When complete, files go to the Downloads folder unless you chose otherwise. If the other device didn't appear, make sure both PCs are awake, unlocked, and on the same network type. Then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, restart Nearby Sharing, and try again. If transfers time out, inspect firewall settings and ensure network is private rather than public. These steps resolve most issues and get your files moving reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.